Welcome to Escapely. In this video, we'll give you a quick overview of the tool and show you how to create your first adventure and play it with your students. In the menu on the left, you can access all the tools you need. Here, you can explore the public game library, which contains adventures created by us at Escapely, our partners, and other teachers. You can also access your personal library of adventures that you have created, as well as adventures that have been shared with you within your organization. This is also where you'll find game reports from all your game sessions. A simple way to get started with Escapely is to create an adventure using Escapely AI. With Escapely AI, you can describe what you want your adventure to be about and get a complete experience in just 1 minute. Click Create with AI and enter the subject you want your adventure to teach. Here, we choose the Middle Ages and can then set the grade level and language. You can also upload materials here, such as PDFs, images, or links that you want the AI to use as source material when creating your adventure. The AI first gathers information and structures the content needed for your adventure. After that, you get to choose what type of story the adventure should be woven into. Here, the AI has identified the Middle Ages as a historical era and suggested suitable story ideas, but you can also enter your own custom story if you want. Next, you choose the style you want for your adventure, and once you've done that, the adventure is ready. First, you'll get an overview of the adventure that has been created. Here, you can see all the tasks that have been generated and view the teacher guide, which describes what the adventure contains and what it teaches. If you want to change or add something, you can enter editing mode by clicking Edit. Here, you can add, remove, and edit scenes and transitions in your adventure. You can make your adventure exactly the way you want it by editing scenes and adding tasks. You can add clues, upload images and materials, add effects, and include characters who guide your players. Test play your adventure by clicking Test Play in the menu. When you test play, you'll see the adventure exactly as it will appear to your players. When you're ready to play the adventure with your students, you can either start it from inside editing mode by clicking Play Game, or go to My Games in the main menu and start the adventure from there. When you start a new session, you can choose whether to play live or remotely. When playing live, all players share the same timer and play at the same time, which is perfect when you're playing together in the classroom. Remote mode can be used to assign a game as, for example, homework. Each player then chooses when they want to start the game session. When you start a live game, you'll enter the game lobby. From here, you invite your players to the game session. You can either let players scan the QR code or copy the game link and send it to everyone who will be joining. Once you see that all players have joined, you start the timer, and the adventure begins for all players at the same time. While the adventure is in progress, you can see how far the different players have come. When the adventure ends, either because you end the session yourself or because the timer runs out, you'll receive a link to the game report. In the game report, you can see how your players performed. You'll get a summary of which tasks took the longest for players to solve, which tasks had the most incorrect answers, and for each player, you can view a detailed report showing exactly what they found easy and difficult. Get started right away and create your first game now.